Kani kedai Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Haka Patrick mentau nai luar arjar arpo. U MLA ke South Shillong Constituency uba Sanbor Sulai ula lumlang ya borok kirang bak Shnong bat kinoi lam Shnong jong ki Shnong ki bah ke constituency ke jong u kenang baki ne kinong sin syal Shnong kin pen pau ki jing e ki jing tunjuk baki kendo aku mengene kapor ba ka jela kadang e khun ban khang lat na ka jing sapriang kunyang jing pang covid khat kendai ha kini ke singiu director jakatnat ka koi ka khia Dr. Amanwar ula ai ke jing pecah ke bakam punya halor ke jing e bagi rang bak Shnong bat ki nong elam Shnong ki kendo bat hakini ke jing elang Dr. Amanwar ula ai ke jing ero ya borok kina elam Shnong bat ki rang bak Shnong halor ke jing tuis tom jong ki ban yarap ek sarkar ba katnat ka koi ka khia ban ya khun ya kunyang jing pang covid.
So we have to have another strain, another vaccine for this strain, particular strain. Now we have to have one common vaccine which will be universal, which will be broad spectrum for all types of viruses. This will take time. And I have gone across the state. I have gone to Garo Hills along with our Honorable Health Minister, along with the health workers. Each and every place that we go, we will not be able to combat the virus without the active support, the active cooperation, the active help extended to us, the government, by all the Darbar Shnongs. And it was here that it dawned on me personally that we are so blessed. We are so blessed in this state of ours that we have the Darbar Shnongs. And it is this Darbar Shnong selflessly who have been working tirelessly with all the village councils across the state, who have helped us contain this pandemic. Otherwise, at the initial part, we would have seen a flood of cases. It is the Darbar Shnong who have come out. And I have said this also in my life, that we are fortunate enough that the democracy which has been set in here by our Longshua, Manshua, Nadu, Mendai, Kulongba, Naki, Lai Sao century. Kani ka democracy ka bangidan mangi. Kaba Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru only gini kitian. You want to see democracy go to the hills. But kadai hangi bangi ba kajing yara jong kidar basno. Kawan rai ngai kini kajing perkat. Mudai tay ngai yakini kita doctors kita ni barkat, yakini ki health workers ni barkat. Kacing keren jong way real crowd. President of the United States of America. Hapur bu keren ini kitin, kibun kibaca umat. And what did he say? I will just quote. Ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for the country. And these Darbar Shnongs is what they are doing now for us. And that is why we can contain. Frontline workers, you're telling only health workers. No, it is not that. Frontline workers now, we have got the Darbar Shnong. The Shnong, all of them, they are the frontline workers now. Side by side with the health workers. We have got the police department, we have got all other departments who have come out from PWD to help us in the check gates. And there lies our strength. Our strength is not individual. Our strength comes in because we work together, and that is why we become strong. And it is with this strength I am very sure that all bad things must come to an end. Nada kiwan jing ai jing mot nang no ngi pedang. Ndai ka jinget ka bas khang ka jingi ka dei how play try kan rat. But udai play try kan rat uban pelan ingi na ka dei ka khlam. Un ai ingi ka dei ka khlam bangin song thung. Kunu bangin niat ka dei ka pakai. But udai play try kan rat ni uban penduk jat ya ka dei ka khlam. But ladang ia trailang we are coming together as one family in this area of Laban under the leadership of our Honorable MLA, who is a very dynamic person, who tirelessly he will call morning or at night and point out, this is what is happening in my area. What are you going to do about it? Immediately also we will scramble. We try our best. Sometimes we fail to immediately address, but we try our best to give the best to the citizens of this area.